They are Akbar Rosie Sophia, Bani Marama Josiah Borenge, Bhavnagar Dina Kumar, Bulitabu Mosese Drenzala, Lawaki Joeli Rakulebu, Delena Elysia, Johnny Dallo, Rocco, Upol Takawai, Senirel, Dulavi Raka Chiosef, Eden Lona, Gafoka Biliame Rokanim, Karabaki Semesa Drunvesi, Kefaro Temumu Wikamba, Kiliraki Kini Bilami, Konrote Chiochi Konisi, Koroe Pesau Semi Tuleda, Koya Fayaz Sadiq, Kumumbola Ratu Inoki, Kumar Praveen, Lal Bridge, Lala Balabu Nangama, Luveni Chico Patepe, Maharaj Elvik Abrikit, Mateni Komboa Solian, Nambu Limo Elikurata, Nandalo Rubeni Natemi, Nagamu Osea, Nanobo Ratu Sele Unikasa, Na Vijay, Natuba Imodi Desi, Nawekula Nico, Hotel Sanjit, Pile Biam, Prasad Biman Chand, Nandrondro Aseri Vesio, Nandrondro Salote Buimburema, Ready Dr. Mahendra, Rika Netana, Syed Kayum Ayers, Serua Ratu Inia Batukopo, Sharma Neil Prakash, Singh Valimendu, Singh Prem, Sudhakar Ashnil, Tangi Baitu, Viliame Manikuwai, Tikoda Isoa Delamesi, Tikondundua Pio, Usumate Johnny, Vendei Anare Quindraki, Munibalu Samuela Vanikolo, Muriwanga Veraseni. And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the reading of the members of Parliament, and they will number 50. Our responsibility now is to